Here is the Honda Fit. Now there's a door sensor on each of the four doors. I'm just going to show you on the left side doors. Go ahead, open the front door, and right over there is the sensor. To replace the sensor, we have to take off this one bolt. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or an 8mm socket ratchet combination. 8mm. Let's go ahead, twist it left and get the bolt out, and keep the bolt somewhere safe. Do not lose it. Get the sensor out this way. It just comes out like this at an angle. And now what we have to do is get this electrical connector off of it. So press down right over there where I'm pressing with my thumb. Slide the sensor off the connector. Get the new sensor and click it back onto the connector. It only goes on in one way. Put it back into the body. And now let's get the bolt. Now this bolt is important because this bolt is what connects the electrical connection. Without this, the electrical connection is not completed and the new sensor will not work. So it's important you not lose it. Put it back in properly. Let's repeat this process now for the rear door. Exact same process, no differences whatsoever. Same sensor, same 8mm bolt, nothing that's different. But I'm going to do it just so I can show it to you that it is in fact the same thing. Let's get the sensor out. Now we have to get the connector off of the sensor. Press down right over there and get it out. Good. Now let's click it back on. Put it back into the body. Put the bolt back on. And then let's just tighten this down first with your hand and then tighten it with your socket ratchet combination, and we are done. And that's about it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Automotive Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.